To activate eSIM on Google Pixel 10 Pro, first of all, you will have to start by opening System Settings. Right now, you will have to go for Network and Internet. And over here, you have to search for SIMs. Now just wait for this checking network information screen. We can actually set up an eSIM by clicking over here, or we can also transfer a SIM from another device. Let's go forward by selecting set up an eSIM. We have to wait another time. And now we've got a few methods how we can actually set up that eSIM. The first one, we can scan the QR code like that. So we have to grab the phone, align the QR code, and you should get this automatic setup. But in my case, it's not working because I already set it up in my second phone. If it is also not working, like you didn't set it up and it's not working, you can manually set it up. So let's go back for this one. And we have to click here to try these troubleshooting steps. Then we have to select to enter activation code just over here. And the code from your carrier starts with this or this. So we will have to click here and then input it.